Hi guys, let me show you how to make this spring craft with just paper. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. The supplies you need are 2 colors of paper, tissue, and glue. First, rip out strips of the brown paper. Oh, don't mind my dog, she just wants to craft along with us. Next, glue the brown paper in the shape of a tree. The last step is to rip out pieces of tissue, ball it up, and glue it to the tree. And this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.